to the creek. Oh. Today I have uni and it is a very long day for me because I finish at 6 p.m. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a really long time. I blame the weather because it's been raining every single day. I have been so against using an umbrella for years, so I can't even vlog outside without getting my camera wet. And I just had enough of the rain, so I decided to get myself an umbrella actually. Today's there's not a lot going on. I'm just gonna do my work because I've just been so lax with it. I've been putting it off and I know if I don't do it now it's gonna bite me in the ass a month's time. So I had to put my hair, the top of my hair, in 2 braids because I don't know what happened yesterday. I don't know if the umbrella just wasn't working. When I got back home and I tried to run my fingers through my hair, I was struggling to because my hair puffed up and I was like, what? So I need to braid it down. Yeah, if my hair looks really funky today, just ignore it. This tastes really good. What the dog? just been answering a bunch of emails and just doing some admin because I've been really behind. I've been procrastinating on replying to emails. It just seems like I've been doing nothing. Binge watching The Office. And I've already watched it, by the way. I'm rewatching it. Going through my emails, I realized I have a lot of discount codes that I got during Christmas because the amount of shopping I was doing. Today, I'm planning on going to Space NK and Abercrombie and Fitch because I have 2 coupon codes to redeem and I don't want them to expire. And also, I really want the bubble tea that I always get in Chinatown, so I've got a mission today. How grey it was through my camera. Jesus Christ. It looks worse on my camera. Oh shit. Right there. Oh my God. So I'm finally back home and I'm in my pajamas. I didn't go to Abercrombie and Fitch. I actually went there a couple days ago and I didn't really like the collection that they have now. I feel like when we enter the end of winter and beginning of spring, it's kind of like an awkward transition in some stores. So like they had a few winter stuff and spring stuff and I didn't think it was giving. The only thing I did get was this Dr. Jart face mask. It's £14 for one. 14?
14, Jesus is Lord. 14? You know you can be prosecuted for that.
I had a £10 off discount code, so I only paid £4 for this, but I genuinely don't think I am going to buy this again. Well, the plan for today is the same plan as I had yesterday, which is to actually do my readings, because yesterday I said readings, plural. That means I have to do multiple readings. Why did I only do one reading? I genuinely actually have to look in. Like, The Office is holding me back and it's a show I have already watched, so what am I doing? So today me and my sister are gonna check out this cafe, and because today is Valentine's Day, I want to go out today because for once it's actually sunny, it's not raining, so this is like a little teaser, a little trailer before spring arrives, and I love spring so much, so I'm really excited to finally see London in the sun. extra strawberries as well. I really like that. That's good too. We're playing Tyler the Creator.